You see, Grow has become one of the largest online broker, and the new millenniums understand the value of investing because they are making good money in their jobs, and they have good purchasing power. And people who are not active in the stock market should go through the mutual fund routes. So there are various asset options available. People are investing in real estate also, but I always prefer liquidity over this thing. So in the middle of the night, if you have an emergency, stocks, gold and all that have extreme liquidity and they can be sold easily, but you will have to de-risk yourself by spreading it across various asset classes. And there are now tons of apps available to help you make decision making, whether it's for stock picking or mutual funds. And if you don't have the time, there are various options like PMS, and there are new alternate investment firms, but that comes later when you have made a good net worth of yourself. But for new people, I would suggest you should first get a health insurance policy, because the insurance health the costs are going medical costs are going up. So medical insurance is a must have, and then start investingly selectively in mutual funds. And if you are more educative and you can spare time, then you can look at direct investment. Otherwise, mutual funds is the best way to invest and take part in the India growth story. And India with 1.4 billion people, the Indian domestic demand is huge, and everybody is taking a SIP route. People who don't understand stock markets are going through the SIP route. So and now there are a lot of investments which are there like Bitcoin, but I strongly suggest not to invest in Bitcoins, because it's a very volatile thing, commodities and Bitcoins. It's not for every type of investor, and you can end up losing all your capital if you invest in Bitcoins. But stock market over so many years, past 25 years, has shown it gives you the highest returns there with the minimal risk. And now the whole Indian market capitalization is increasing, and India, when it's growing at 7 to 8%, obviously the stock market in the long run will boom, and it will generate a lot of like in the startup ecosystem, there are tons of unicorns which you see of people who are hardly 20-25 years old, like people like Zepto. So I am saying there is a lot of this thing. So you have to take your investment judiciously, and if you don't understand, you can come to us or a financial advisor or a financial planner. So I think people are not taking financial planning seriously. So the best route is, when you start making money, you should first consult a financial planner. He will help you save money for your retirement, for your ongoing house mortgage, and for various other things, how to invest in the stock market. So people have to two things which I tell them is get a financial planner or an advisor, and secondly, invest heavily in your medical insurance has to be covered apart from life insurance. So people in India have still not taken insurance seriously. Without knowledge, it's like gambling in a Las Vegas casino. So I suggest rather go to Las Vegas casino and bet your money there rather than coming into the stock market. In stock market, it requires a lot of commitment, knowledge, understanding, and then only you can you start making money. And don't get carried away with the greed, because people go on tips. Never listen to anybody, even if it's the owner of the company. The thing is, you should always do your own research and then only step. Because when I talk to people, I hear everybody say, I lost a lot of money, because they invest on hearsay. That is the most dangerous thing to do. And now investing has become so simple. You have tools like Market Mojo and Trading View. So those tools are very simple to install and to review and manage. All you need to do is just spend your weekend, half an hour or 1 hour on your investing, and those tools are very easy for a layman also to invest. So I would suggest creating I have an aunt at 75 years old. She's still trading in the market. So she is reading, and she as a part-time income. She's at age 75. She is also making money.